Hello students, today I will explain you chapter number 7, Congruence of Triangles, exercise 7.1. Okay, your first question is, complete the following statement. I have already explained you what is the meaning of congruency, what is the meaning of congruent. If you have any two figures of the same shape and same size, okay, if two figures having same shape and same size is called congruent figure. Okay, so the question is, two line segment are congruent. Two lines are congruent if, so two lines can only be congruent if their length is same. So the two line segment are congruent if they are of same length. Okay, two line segment having same length, then it is called congruent line segment. Among two congruent means same. Okay, among two congruent angles, one has a measure of 70 degree. The measure of the other angle is, if both the angles are congruent, means the measurement of both the angle will be same. Okay, so the another angle will also be of 70 degree. Third question, when we write angle A is equal to angle B, what we actually mean? Okay, the meaning of this is, the measurement of angle A is equal to measurement of angle B. For example, if angle A is 30 degree, then angle B will also be of 30 degree. So simply you can write here, measurement of angle A is equal to measure of angle B. Only have to write this write this letter M. M stands for measurement of that angle. Give two real life examples of congruent shape. You can give so many examples. You can have in your room two fans of the same company, okay, same design, same pattern. So they are congruent figure. You can take your hand, okay, these are same in shape and size. You can take two mobile phones, okay, of the same model. So these are called congruent figure. Okay, you can in your room you can check tubelets. Okay, two tubelets of same shape and size are called congruent. So hundreds of examples are there. You can write any two name of examples of congruent shapes. Now question number third. If triangle ABC, this is a symbol of congruent. If triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED, here I will make two small triangles. Suppose this is my triangle ABC and second triangle is FED. I started naming from here ABC and second is FED. So I will start from here only FED. If triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED, under the correspondence ABC is correspond to FED. Write all the corresponding congruent part of the triangles. Okay. So whenever two triangles are congruent, you always get 6 congruent or corresponding part. What are that 6 part? 3 sides and 3 angles. This angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle, and angle C is equal to angle D. 3 angles and 3 sides. Pick up this triangle and put on this triangle. So this A will correspond to F, B will correspond to E, and C will correspond to D. Okay, that means this line segment AB will come on FE, this line segment BC will come on ED, and this line segment AC will come on FD. Now how to write the corresponding parts? 6 corresponding parts. First I am writing sides. This AB, this is a symbol of correspond to side FE. Second side, this BC will correspond to ED, and the third side AC You can write in any sequence correspond to FD. You can write this first, this second, and this third. Okay. See, first corresponding part, second, third. What I told, you will get total 6 corresponding part. Now fourth, fifth, and sixth part. This 3 you will get from side, and this 3 you will get, next 3 you will get from angles. First is angle A. When you pick up this triangle and put on this triangle, this angle A will come on angle F. This means angle A correspond to angle F. This is a symbol of correspond. Angle A will correspond to angle F. This is a symbol of angle. Then angle B will correspond to, this B will come on E. So angle B will correspond to angle E. And at last angle C will correspond to, angle C will correspond to angle D. These are the 6 corresponding parts. Okay. ABC was your first triangle, and second triangle FED. A will correspond to F, B will correspond to E, C will correspond to D. Same way, your line segment AB will correspond to FE, BC will correspond to ED, and AC will correspond to FD.